In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the ocean drum. This is the Bizarre ocean drum. It is from China and it's 14 inches. The Chinese ocean drums tend to be made with synthetic material, making them vegan friendly. The way to hold an ocean drum is holding both hands hip width apart, like so. And then you want to slowly, gradually build up the ocean waves by slowly moving your hands back and forth in a round motion. Now you can make fast waves by going faster. And slower again. You can also use it as a drum and a shaker. Ocean drums are very beneficial for sound healing. They're great for clearing negative energy in the room. If you want to explore our ocean drums, I'll add the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.